Wait a minute, wait a minute.
This is the storytelling hat that I need to wear now. It's a bit small. I know it's a bit small for me. It's because
Maybe your eyes halfway through it.
been
Do you need help?
to lots of people.
Okay, right then. Ready?
Once upon a time, there lived a furry teddy who lived at Christchurch in Bristol. One day, he came to my house. He had a rabbit spoon in his bag. Then I went to sleep and fell fast asleep. Then Eddie bounced his magic ball and with a spin, spin, spin. Suddenly, he was in Scooby-Doo's land. He walked and he walked and he walked until he saw a ride, a fast ride, a high ride. Then Eddie bounced his magic boot with a spin, spin, spin. Finally, he landed back in my bed with a bump.
Very good, well done.